Hello, welcome to Mr. Hackathon Automates Everything. I'm Mr. Hackathon, and today I will be automating a workflow with Banner Bear and Airtable. So, what we'll be doing is creating social media images for Instagram or Twitter automatically, and that will make more sense in a little bit. So, this service Banner Bear has APIs that allows you to auto generate social media visuals. So what we'll do is be pulling data from Airtable, and we've covered the Airtable in a little, like small. I'm getting tongue tied. We've covered Airtable a little bit so far. So just taking a look at Banner Bear, and it's super simple. You can get up and running in 10 minutes, literally. Lots of good feedback from different people and different companies. So what you want to do is you want to sign in. So I'm already signed in, and this is your dashboard. But what you will do is go to your projects, and I'm going to create another project, and I'm going to name it Mr. Hackathon Automates Everything. So now I have this. This is my dashboard for Mr. Hackathon Automates Everything. I want to create a template or add a template that right now this is the default template, and we're going to change the template so that the output image is different. So I'm actually going to go back. This is not what I want, but as you can see, you can actually edit the template. I want to go to project home maybe. Okay, I'm on my project home for Mr. Hackathon Automates Everything, and I actually want to delete this template, and I want to browse the you can either create a template or browse current templates, and these are the current templates. So what I'm actually going to do is utilize the quote template. So I'm going to utilize this one, and I'm going to add this to this project, Mr. Hackathon Automates Everything. No. I don't think I've reached my limit yet. So let's just ignore that. And we can try again. Okay. So what we're actually going to do is, because we haven't reached our free trial image usage, I'm going to delete this previous project that I made. So I have to figure out how to delete this. Maybe go to settings and advanced sentence. I'm trying to delete an old project. If I can't delete it, then I will show you using this old project. So maybe if I go to my old project, or go to this old project. So what actually happens, you come to the dashboard, you create a project, you come to the dashboard, and you select your template. When you select your template, this is actually what you get. And this is just a template, so you're going to need some of this information in Airtable. And then what you actually do is go to integrations and settings. And you want to scroll down and you want to grab this information from Airtable. So in Airtable, you're going to have a base ID, you're going to have a table name, and you're going to have a view name. If I go to my Airtable, if I can find it. So this is a new base that I have created for Airtable, and I have very specific titles and fields here. You need these fields to match Banner Bear. If we scroll up, we can see you need these fields in order to be able to complete the image. So you need these particular fields. So you can either copy a base from Airtable, you can copy a base that Banner Bear provides you, or you can start a new base. I basically copied their base. And so we're going to go back. When you do that, you click test connection, and I'll just show you how you get some of this information. So we just go down. Your view name is this right here. I named it Banner Bear Airtable. Your table name is this right here. Your base ID is, you'll go to account, and you find your base ID right here. And then what we want to do is you want to test the connection. Once you test the connection, it will authenticate and make sure everything matches as it should, and it looks for all the columns. Go back to, you also have to connect you also have to connect your Airtable to your actual project. So you'll go to your account, and you'll go to settings, and you type in your API key for Airtable. Then what you do is scroll down, scroll down, scroll up. So you have your template. Once you go to settings again on Airtable integration, you then want to import the data. You want to import the data from Airtable. So I'm going to give it a little bit more data. Mr. Automates everything. This is my Banner Bear Airtable integration. And so I'm just going to grab an image from my computer. So we have the information we need. We need the quote text, subtitle name, avatar. And what it actually does is, once it has been imported, it checks this box and it puts the URL right here. So what I'm going to do now is go back to Banner Bear, and I'm going to import. And it says one record has been imported. And I'm going to view imported images. And now right here. No, less than 1 minute ago. Right here should be my imported image. Mr. Hackathon automates everything. So you can bulk, you can do this in bulk. I just did one, but you can do this in bulk. You can edit and create particular templates. And this is a great way to automate your social media posts, or at least the creation of the creative part on the social media posts. Please like, comment, and subscribe if this provided you any value. Please feel free to DM me on YouTube, on Twitter, on Instagram, any platform. I'm open to talk whenever you want to talk.